Let's continue the session. So we are going to learn like how to access the lesson plan, like from where we can access the resources and the project links. So guys, can you see the screen? Please respond. Oh yeah, yeah. So do you know about the tap website? Yeah. Do you know how to access the lesson plan? Yeah. So for yeah, yeah, yeah. Have you ever logged into this website like? So let me say, logging to blackbucks.me, then go to college, college training, and enroll for the business analytics our program. Click on that. So here you can see the placement mock test and session links, assignment links. Here you can see the session videos, assignments, and other resources. You can access directly from the website. So yeah, yeah. From here you can access the assignments, assignment links. Do you have any other doubts? Please respond in the chat. Guys, are you clear about how to access the lesson plans? Okay. Uh, Now we are discussing about like about the projects. Do you know about the project titles? Uh, there would be only one assignment per week. Yeah, you should. Yeah, yeah, it's up to you. But not all mock tests, but assignments compulsory. You should complete. Your mocks would be based on that only. Like the assignments which are given by us, like in the form of links. Are you clear, Kaveri? So like Blackbucks assignment one like that would be right. No, no, no. Assignment assessments will be every day. We can you can take up to one time only because we are giving marks right for everyone. So that guys, is there any other doubts regarding how to access the lesson plan? Okay, your total performance would be based on the assessments, assignments, and the project and the attendance also. So guys, do you selected the project titles? Please mention yes, yes, Rajashree, Rajesh, yes, Doyle, yes, and everyone, please respond yes if you are aware of the project titles. Great, 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 great enthusiasm. First date, can you clear me up, Kaveri? Guys, is there any other doubts today, last? Uh, it's based on the team, which they said is the last date to select the project. Yeah, then it's today only. We will update if anything changes. All right, guys. Okay, we'll move to the next part. Okay, if the project titles is completed, no doubt, right? On the project titles, then great. So let's move to the instructions relating to the topic. Like we are going to discuss how you are doing, what are the rules you should follow regarding to the project. Wait a minute, guys. Am I audible? Am I clear? Guys, am I audible? Please respond yes. Yeah, let's move to the instructions. Like for the project, you have to upload a abstract. You need to prepare an abstract. The abstract should begin with a brief and precise statement, and it should also have a description of the research method and design. Like abstract must include brief introduction about the project, libraries, technologies used, design or workflow of the project, and then conclusion. This you need to submit at the first phase. And in the second and then in the second phase, it would be about data set. The data set, do you know where the data sets you can get from? No, no, guys, I didn't share the screen. I'm just talking to you. Am I audible? So in first phase, you need to submit an abstract. In second phase, you need to update about the data set. Uh, you need to submitted a Word document in that with the data source and data link and libraries required to the project, and you should submit the data file in zip format. You should only take the data sets from Kaggle UCI machine learning repository, Google data set search. And in the next phase, you need to submit a PPT. In that PPT, you need to mention algorithms you are using, like logistic regression, naive Bayes, decision tree, etc. And in that PPT, you should also mention why it is the right algorithm to your project. And then in the third phase, yeah, it would be the mid review. Uh, in that mid review, you should complete the project till EDA, exploratory data analysis. With the format, it should be like PPT format, title, and you should also come with PPT, and it should be with title, problem statement, and you need to mention about existing system and proposed system, like, and the requirements relating to the software and hardware, and conclusion. That's it. And then the next stage would be regarding to the source code and project documentation. And here are the some you have to use the only Times Roman font, and the font size should be like 14. Limitations are there, like font size 14 and content size should be 12. The documentation should be minimum 22 to 25 pages, and no link should be present in the documentation. Follow the exact format mentioned above. If you want, we will share this thing in the group and later on. You need to submit your code files. Guys, are you getting it? Okay, I'll mention it again. It's like how you do project in the college only. Like first you are submitting an abstract, then you are coming with an PPT, and then you upload like with like you prepare a document, like how you going to do that, and which algorithm you are using, why you are using. I like that. And you should follow the instructions, like proper instructions will give, like I'll show an example so that you would understand. And there would be the final review. Total it would be one abstract stage, choosing the data set updation, algorithm updation in the document format. Then there would be a mid review, and there would be a source code and project documentation. Then there would be final review. There will be total 6 stages. All right. At the final review, you should upload final PPT. The complete project must be submitted for final review. Like the PPT would must contain about the title, project statement, about existing proposing system, model about the models, testing code, conclusion. So, so guys, do you need an example like how to load the data set and how the project would be like as an example project will be? Please respond as okay, okay. Let me show you example. Guys, can you see the screen? Definitely, guys. Our team would be sharing the information regarding the phases. No problem about it. So, can you see the screen? Respond as is my screen is visible in? Okay, okay, Kavya. Okay, Navya. Let's start. So, basically, the notebook would be like this. Your project notebook would be like this. And we are performing the steps like first we are loading the modules, then we are going to uh, load the data set. So first we should upload a data set from like here you go and add the data set like here. If you click on this, the data set would be added like this. Then you should copy the path and to load the you should give here like for reading format. So first we getting ready the modules, then we loading the data sets, uh, checking the data sets like how the data set is. See like start from head you'll see like first five values. Read the what the data is about. You can see the dates, category, start location, stop location. Oh, this data set is about like Uber data analysis. You guys know about the Uber, right? So we are analyzing the business Uber data. So we can see the last five values. Then we are checking the columns. We are getting the data information. Like here it's showing like it has the total 1,156 entries and only one non null value. Like we are like yesterday session We are understanding about the data. Like let's see the shape. Like it has 7 columns and 1156 rows. Then in the project we should clean the missing values, and we should clean the data, and we should delete the rows which are unnecessary. Like this, in this phase we will first phase we will clean the data, and we'll handle the missing values. After cleaning the data, we'll load the data set again. Then we can interact with the data set, like get seeing the purpose, like how many people are traveled for only for meeting and entertainment and travel, etc. You can see here. And, and we can check the places of highest starting point we are analyzing with the data frames. Guys, are you getting it? This is will be the data analysis. Then in the visualization part, we are promoting bar graphs, like we are visualizing the stuff into the graphs. See, so we can visualize the whole data about which carries which location the people travel the most. Like we can get this type of data. We can visualize this data, and we are also checking how what's the most miles traveled. What is the average? We are analyzing like we will analyze like this in any other data sets. Fine. First, we need to clean the data sets. First, you need to perform EDA. Then you need to pre-process the data. Then you need to visualize it. Then you need to visualize like this. Then you are going to like check the accuracy of the model. In this data set we are performing analysis, right? So we are getting the values. We can like what is which is the busiest day of the week we'll performing, and then we are getting like Friday, like in the day there will be like in the day meeting 71 meetings, and mostly people travel on the Friday regarding to the Uber data set. And we are analyzing like top location. So here it is like this. Here we interact with the data set, and you need to mention your findings like this. Uh, Guys, it's just an example. Uh, Each data set would have different types, but the model would be same, like how to load the data set, how to clean, and the steps are the same. So got it, everyone? Respond in the chat. Guys, are you getting it? Okay, these are the procedure, and this is the example notebook project. So uh, that's the thing, guys. And we are sending the instructions again in the group. Please follow the instruction. Uh, the phases would be according to that, and please mind the instructions, and the your mock would be according to the instructions. Like you must follow the instructions. Okay, okay, guys. This is the session is about. So, are you clear about the lesson plan? How to access lesson plan? Respond as if you got to know. If you are clear about the accessing the lesson plan, like okay, you everyone clear about the project titles, right? Guys, emoji. If you are clear about this, about the project titles, respond with the emoji. I'm only seeing Kavyasri responding. Where are everyone? Great, great, great. Anusha, okay. Doyal, okay. Jayshree, okay. And where is everyone? Guys, Monica, okay. Koel, okay. Babita, okay. You guys are clear with the project titles, right? Uh, are you clear about the project instructions? Okay. And that's it, guys. And I shown an example regarding the project also. And in that format, the project would be. And please feel free to explore the projects from Kaggle, GitHub, and everywhere, and try to understand it and make your explore the node data set and explore the data, get the insights. It is going to be really amazing task. And that's it about the session. Please wait. Please wait up to the feedback form is shared. It is mandatory for attendance. Guys, I'm updating the link. Please fill the link for the attendance. This is compulsory for the attendance. And feel free to give the feedback. And if you have any other doubts, please respond here, or please contact to the your group admins, and feel free to contact our feedback team. And that it this is about the session, guys. And if you have any other doubts, please let me know in the chat section. So I'm ending the session. No one has doubts, right? Okay, then I'm ending the session. Please fill the attendance form. Okay. Doyle, please respond. What's your doubt? Please mention it in the chat. Doyle, you there? Yes, feel free. So, select the easy projects, select the interesting projects, and it will be related to your real life things. Select the easy project from the titles. You don't need to remember. You don't need to remember every code, right? You can get. You don't need to remember everything. You can get it from notebooks. You can get it from ChatGPT. You can use ChatGPT, and you can easily uh, deal with the data. Like if you got error, also you can solve. There are many AI editors to help you out, and it trust me, it would be amazing journey. Like you are linking your ideas and to the technology, you thinking on both sides, and that's how it going to be. You are going to explore so much, you are going to save your time, you are going to make better analysis from this. Please make a big use of these technologies. So I think you are clear, Doyle. Yeah, respond. You are going to get the instructions for the PPT again. So if you want, I can say the format again. So wait a minute. Guys, the everything will be shared on the group regarding to the uh, PPTs and the um, modes like phases of the project. So the session is ending right, and feel free to learn reach our team. Okay, guys.